brings clean air to your Austin home. Discover what professional HVAC duct cleaning really costs in 2026. Most Austin homeowners pay between $375 and $1,200 for duct cleaning, but the average is just $550. Your price depends on size, access, and contamination. Dirty ducts mean dust in your lungs, higher bills, and kids sneezing through cedar season. Ignoring them risks mold, poor airflow, and expensive repairs. Austin's heat, cedar pollen, and new construction make ducts work harder. Here's how home size affects your invoice. 1,000 to 1,500 SQ FT averages $425. $1,500 to 2,500 SQ FT is $575. $2,500 to 3,500 SQ FT. Clean ducts mean easier breathing, lower energy bills, and fewer allergy flare-ups. Imagine ducts clogged with dust and debris versus clear passages letting air flow freely. Without cleaning, dust buildup, higher bills, allergy risks. With cleaning, strong airflow, energy savings, healthier air. Your family deserves clean air, not dust in every breath. In Austin, professional duct cleaning averages $350 to $1,000, a smart investment that pays off in lower energy bills and fewer doctor visits. After Noble Air cleaned our ducts, my daughter's nighttime coughing stopped completely. Noble Air uses HEPA-filtered vacuums, rotary brushes, and UV sanitation to remove 99.97% of airborne contaminants. Worried duct cleaning is a scam? Think again. Without proper cleaning, dust recirculates, systems strain, and allergies worsen. Clean ducts don't just improve air, they save you money. See the transformation. Before, ducts choked with dust and debris restricting airflow. After, clean passages allow smooth, efficient circulation, maximizing comfort and minimizing strain on. Ready for cleaner air and lower bills? Schedule your free duct inspection with Noble Air today. In Austin, your duct cleaning cost depends on home size, contamination level, and accessibility. After years of struggling with dust and high bills, I called Noble Air. Noble Air is locally owned, fully licensed, and trusted by Austin families for expert duct cleaning. Check out the link in the description to learn more. If you found this helpful, Noble Air has everything you need, from expert advice to top quality products that deliver real results every time.